So I've been wearing a lot of sweatpants lately since quarantine and all of that. So I needed a pair of real pants with a real zipper and a real button. So I had to make those, okay? What's up, beautiful people? The Doc is Hope here. Welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be sharing with you a pattern review that I'm doing for Mimi G's Simplicity Pattern 8177. This pattern actually consists of a high-waisted wide leg trouser as well as a vest and then also a jacket option. So I have made the trousers just now, so that's what I'll be reviewing. So go ahead and get comfortable, you guys, and let's get into it. The pattern itself I thought was pretty straightforward. I think it ended up being maybe like six or seven pieces total, which I'm all about. It's nice to not have to cut a whole bunch of pattern pieces all the time. So in that regard, it was pretty straightforward. The directions were great. She also has a sew along video. So on the pattern, it just lists, I don't know if you can see that. It just lists the sew along link. So if you get lost or get stuck on any of the steps, she's got a great video to help with that, so that's nice. Overall, the pant, it has a pleat in the front and then some darts in the back, so those kind of give you a little bit of a nice pleated ruffled effect. Well, not ruffled, a nice pleated effect in the front. And then I love the way that they fit, and I love the way that they hang on the body. Since they're wide leg, they just kind of fall on you, and I'm kind of tall. I'm 5'9", so sometimes it's hard for me to find pants that are long enough for me that I can actually wear a heel with, but these were good for that. They had great length. You can see that they're pretty long on her, and so that was really nice. It also comes with carriers or belt loops so that you can add a belt if you want to. I made these pants in black because I didn't have any high-waisted wide leg trousers in black, and everybody needs a basic black. So normally I like to sew with like colors and prints, but this time I thought, you know, let me just go black with it and have like a classic pair or a classic piece in my wardrobe. So I feel like I'll definitely get a lot of wear out of this pattern. Definitely quality made, definitely with Mimi G, she likes to, you know, make sure that things are made well. So I would say these pants are definitely made well. And I will include for you a little look of how mine turned out. I actually paired them with a belt at the top. Let's see, one thing I did have problems with was the zipper. Not installing the zipper, but when it came to flipping out your facing, my zipper was on the inside of the facing. So I'm not sure if I just did something wrong there, but I was able to figure out how to correct it. But overall, really great pattern. Again, Simplicity 8177 by Mimi G. Pretty sure it's still in print. I believe it was released back in 2017, so it's not a brand new pattern, but I was able to find it at my local Joann store. So hopefully, you know, if you make these, you like them. I definitely plan to make the vest and also this shirt underneath. But anyway, thank you again for joining me for this video. I enjoyed making it for you guys, and definitely if you have not, give me a like below and subscribe to my channel. That way we can hang out and you guys can keep up with when I post my new videos. All right, you guys, later.